Is my screen visible, sir?
It's coming up.
Yes, sir. Over here. Wait a
This is
second.
your compilation error, yeah?
Yes, sir. Sir, no more errors are there.
No, error दिखा रहा है ना, error function b at 1 has no.
सर वो मैंने सब क्लियर कर दिया, अब कुछ भी नहीं बचा.
So your compilation is correct, clear.
Sir, no more errors are coming, but output is also not coming. This is the program.
Implicit none, integer IJ, then real is degree, dimension is 10 by 10, speed, direction, UV. Open 10 file. This syntax is okay, correct? I don't remember the syntax anymore.
I think so, sir. If they अगर कोई गलती होती सर वो दिखा देता उसमें error.
हाँ, सही बात है. Then I equal to 1 to 10, you will read speed and direction, first speed and direction, and then degree is equal to direction times your pi radian. U equal to this, speed times sine, and B is equal to speed times cos, right? U comma V, and do in program. So you say he's not writing anything.
No, sir. Sir, output file should come over here like this. It's blank over here.
Output file is still blank. Go back to the program. Show me the data also.
Oh yes, sir. Input file, sir. One second. Sir, input file is like this. One second.
So some arbitrary value you have taken.
Yes, sir.
So your first value, 1, 2, 3, 4. So.
So randomly, this is the speed. First 100 values are speed, and then next 100 values are for the radian degree something.
For the degree direction.
Yes, sir.
First 100 are, but the way you are reading in the loop.
Yes, sir.
Do say I equal to 1 to 10, okay, and j equal to 1 to 10. So the first it will read 10 value of, according to this program. First it will read read speed and direction. Okay, so it is simultaneous. The way you have input the data.
Yes, sir.
It is different than the way you are trying to read it. First, it will read the first 10 value of speed and direction. It will read in pair.
Okay.
See, the way you have written this. So first of all, your inner loop will be executed.
But sir, still there should be some output on, na? I have taken random values, but still there should be some output.
So maybe it will run out of the data file. I don't know. But some okay. Anyways, show me the program. So try to compile and run it in my presence.
This one again here.
See, it is still saying so many errors. I see.
No, sir. One second. Let me do it again.
Okay, compile karo program ko, and then.
Here also it's coming some error.
So
same error. I guess it's the same error.
Same जो पहले अभी हरदास की दिखा रही थी, कौन दिखा रहा था? Somebody was showing me this earlier.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. I got the same error.
So that is because of your data problem, input data. Okay, your last data is all undefined. So you define in pair, okay, because according to the way you are reading in loop. Now, outer loop is I equal to 1 to 10, inner loop is j equal to 1 to 10. So j is your north-south.
Okay.
Right? So it will read the first 10 values of u and v in pair from north to south. See, data input and data structure is very important. The way you define the data, the computer will read according to that way. Right? So you define it row-wise, first starting with the southernmost boundary, and then go to the next boundary, the next latitude, and then to the next latitude, and then to the next latitude, and so on. From starting from southernmost latitude, you will go to the northernmost latitude, and then That means J equal to, rather you should have said, assuming that J is the latitude and I is the longitude. So J equal to 1 to 10 will be your all the latitude points, and I equal to 1 to 10 will be all your longitude points. You get the point? In
Yes.
this case, computer will of course does not know what is I and what is J. No, it doesn't know what is latitude and what is longitude. It doesn't know. So it doesn't matter to computer, but then the way you input your data, that is important. According to you just pick up in terms of pair. Okay,
Okay, sir.
right. Okay, so you correct the things and then you could try again later. The next person who would like to show, who is the next person who would like to show? Shweta?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, can
Sir,
you
I'm getting compilation error.
show me, share your screen?
Yes, sir. Sir, 1 minute.
Hmm.
Sir, is my screen visible?
Yeah, it's just coming up slowly. Not yet, does not become yet. Yes, now I can see it. Slightly move towards the right direction. In my left side of the screen, there is something else which is blocking the vision. So just move your screen towards right a little bit. Can you move it? Yeah. No, again it. Because you're on your left.
1 second, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I'll show you the text file.
Yeah. Okay.
Sir, this is the code which I have written.
Integer ij, real speed 10 by 10, fraction 10 by 10. Okay, real EV. Open file, background.txt, open to new.txt is the output. I equal to, well, this last comma 1 is not necessary because by default,
Sir, without the comma 1 also I did. I thought that maybe the counter is not working without because I did not put. But even without the comma 1, it's not working. It's showing compilation error.
Okay, so compilation error I will see. Just now, let me have a look at this. Read the
Oh,
one
sir,
command.
1 second. I'll show you the file which has all the texts in it.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, sir. I entered the wrong file. Sorry. This was supposed to be a different file.
So actually, in that case, what will happen is it will take the wrong input. Compilation
Sir,
error.
even in that case, compilation error is coming. They're saying some unclassifiable statement. They're not reading this cos statement and the sign statement.
Uh, uh, I'm not able to see your left
Sir, I'll minimize the screen.
side of the
1
file.
second. I'll minimize the screen.
Yeah, and then move it to the. Okay, now I can see it better. So this is a program, right?
Yes, sir. This is the program. The left side is the program, and this one is the compilation error which they're showing.
Unclassified statement at 1. Unclassified statement at 1. Integer. The first line is implicit none. Integer I comma j. There is some syntax error somewhere.
So that's what I can't understand, because they are saying unclassifiable statement, and they are pointing out at this cos and sin statement. These statements they are pointing out as this, and they are saying unclassifiable statement.
Cause of direction. I comma j. Is everybody looking at her program? Harikasri?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
all of you look at her program and just try to search, find out what is the error.
Sir, I got an output in my.
नहीं उसके श्वेता के प्रोग्राम में देखो ना.
Okay, sir.
Everybody look at the Shweta's screen and try to it's like a treasure hunt. Okay, all of you try to hunt the error.
Sir, she hasn't declared array.
Sir,
Real
yes, sir.
dimension. She has to give the real dimension.
For U and V, she has not
Oh,
mentioned.
yeah, right. Yeah, right.
Yes.
Dimension.
Right. So you see, so this is how you know
And same with
learn.
UV also. UV also will be arrays.
Uh,
Yeah.
okay. So this is how we learn by sharing the screen. Each one will look at the other's screen if she or he has some problem. And I'm trying to find out the
Save
error.
it first.
I saved it. I saved it.
Uh,
So still they're saying that no implicit type. V has no implicit type. Whereas I have oh, acha, okay. I did not make them. Yeah, I did not declare the
array
array
size.
Dimensions.
dimensions. Yeah.
Same
So
problem.
still they are showing error.
Mhm.
Uh,
Yeah.
Shweta, after real comma dimension, you have to give in brackets the dimension.
Oh,
Also there.
Yeah. Otherwise, even if you
oh yeah,
remove the
yeah, yeah,
dimension,
yeah.
it will be fine. But without giving these dimensions,
Instead of
semicolon,
putting dimensions after speed and dir, just put it once in after the dimension word.
yeah, or otherwise, simply say real speed 10 comma 10 and direction 10 comma 10. That's what accept.
Yeah, that's also right.
Uh, there's no need to write dimensions just like that.
Is that it, or do I need to
No, 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 no,
change
no,
anything?
no. Now remove that. After speed also you have written 10 comma 10. Remove that.
Yeah.
After direction also remove that. And U and V
Okay.
also.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is another way. The language, keeps evolving. Many syntax which was not allowed earlier, now they are all acceptable here. हो
Yes,
गया
sir. Yes, sir. It's compiled. Now I'll
Now
run the
output.
program. Yeah.
ठीक है. So you try it later yourself and others can see the others. Okay, let's see. So same problem.
Sir, error in
But sir,
termination.
she will get an output. Just look at the output file. There will be an output.
Okay.
Same thing happened with me also, sir. I got an output, but this error, this thing was written over there.
Because the data file is not properly structured.
No,
So
the
I
new
structured
file
it
is
now.
blank.
Again, termination error.
Terminal.
It's not coming. The new file is still empty.
So that means if there is a problem in your, the way I saw the output on your screen, it seems there is a problem in the data file.
So should I show you mine now?
Have you
Yeah,
corrected?
even mine
Yes,
output
sir.
is
I
there.
corrected.
Okay, so show me.
Wait, sir. I'll stop presenting.
Okay. So all of you are ready to sow? I think then तब तो फिर 7 बज जाएगा. Only 6:45.
So over here,
हाँ.
I'm getting something like this.
Yeah, you got some output.
Yes, sir.
So
But sir,
compare.
over here again, it's written this only. Error termination backtrace. Once
The
again.
last line is showing only.
Again, this thing.
Yeah, even in mine also, and 20 values are also there.
Some problem is still there.
Yes, sir.
1 minute.
This is the U and this is the V value, I guess. And but still, why is it showing it right like this now? We even don't know that this
Yeah.
value is correct or not.
Yeah. And I am getting 10 U values, 10 V values. All values are there, but still showing error. I don't know.
How many how many speed and direction values did you take?
100,
10,
100, like 10
Huh.
cross 10.
Okay,
Like
then
this.
why are they showing only 10 output values?
Uh, it will show 10 only, na? 10 for U, 10 and 10 for V.
But we have 100 speed and direction.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir. She's right in this case. 1 second.
Sir, it's not.
Yes, it should show 100. Sir, नहीं है.
Sorry, so who are presenting? Who is this? Hello?
So I think that.
Hello?
Hello. Yeah. So it's
Yeah.
Gitesh.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So,
Yes, sir.
yeah,
Sir,
क्या problem आ रहा था?
Sir, it should show over 100 values for U and 100 values for V, but we are getting only 10 values each.
Ten values, yeah, it is not complete, isn't it? So there is a problem. And is this your runtime error kind of output on the screen?
Sir, it's showing at line 10 of file cyclone unit 10, comma file input, Fortran runtime error, end of file.
So your file input data file is not complete. Yeah, it is expecting the data, but it is not able to find the data.
Oh, yes, sir.
So you have to properly create your input file. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let me
Gitesh,
talk to others
Gitesh.
also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Gitesh,
Yes,
can you
Ashna.
please
Yes,
show your
Ashna.
input file?
One sec. Input file.
Okay, you haven't taken in ordered pair.
No.
हाँ ये भी पहले सारा यू कर दिया फिर सारा बी कर दिया
Okay, okay.
इंट्रोडक्शन कर दिया so has anybody successfully completed it anybody has anyone successfully done it yes or no or
No,
everybody
sir.
has some problem
No, sir.
No, sir.
nobody has been able to I see so in that case what you do is there is from what I saw from Haritasri's file and then Gitesh file, also Sweta's file, there is some problem in your input data structure also because the way you read the loop, in that way it is not written in the input data file. Data is not stored in that way. So you are running out of the data. It looks like that. So you just see the program how you are expecting to read the data in the same way. You also should have the data file in the input. Okay, so try to do that and then look at the file yourself. Try to correct the error. And today we'll stop the class. But if you want, we can have the class again tomorrow, or sometime for about 1 hour. We can have the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So tomorrow you have any class? What are the other classes that you have tomorrow?
So we have 3 classes. Subrat sir, Chinmay sir, and one elective.
And what time you will be free? Suppose in the afternoon.
So after 3:30, yeah, 3:30 we are free. Sir.
So 3:30 you are free. So we will have a class tomorrow at 3:30, right? To
Yes, sir.
see all these things again. And in the meantime, once again look at your programs and also the input data files, right? And try to correct the errors yourself. Everybody, I see only 6 people are there, probably, or even 5 people are there. I was 6 people. So rest are not there, so I don't know what they are doing. But to communicate among each other. The remaining 6 people also try to communicate and tell them that tomorrow at 3:30 we have to meet again and then discuss what is the progress or what are the problems they have found, what are the errors they are getting. That is discuss tomorrow at 3:30. So tell everybody, okay, remaining people also. All right.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? Right. So ठीक है. So we'll meet tomorrow. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tomorrow at 3:30.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.